Hi everyone, welcome to the sixth and final video for the LD50 lab. This is our cleanup video, and I'm just going to really quickly talk about what you should remember to do when you clean up. Obviously, the cleanup instructions are also written in the lab instructions, so feel free to follow those as well. But please do not clean up until you have collected all of this data right here, all of your number of beans, percentage, and average growth. I would also maybe recommend just waiting until you finish your analysis questions, just in case you need to go back and check something until you clean it up, because once you clean it up, that's it, right? So what I would recommend is liquids, because it's a salt solution, can just be dumped into the sink. So if you have any leftover liquid in your Petri dishes, feel free to just take that, dump the liquid into the sink, but then throw away any of these paper towels and stuff. All you need to do is just grab it, grab the rest of the mung beans, toss it into the trash, right? So super easy, basically liquids in the sink, solids in the trash can. The other thing that you should take care to do before you wash is to remove any tape that you have. So I already took off the tape that was around the edges when I tried to seal it, but I still have this tape on top here, right? So I'm just gonna peel it off, and this is the nice thing about blue tape, is that it peels off pretty nicely and easily there. Once you have done that and your Petri dishes have nothing in them, right? You've tossed everything out and you've taken out all the tape, then you can wash them and then dry them. So please, please, please make sure you wash these with soap and water. I will very easily be able to tell if you only rinse these with water, because I'm going to see some salt stains and some water dry marks, right? So please make sure you take the time, rinse both the cap and the bottom with soap and water. And then finally, even though I know you want to just leave it, please dry the Petri dishes. So you can just take a paper towel, a napkin, a towel, anything that you have, and just gently dry it. This is to prevent any water spots, so that we can easily use the clean Petri dishes and they don't have any smudges or anything like that. Once you finish with that, what you can do is just make sure everything has dried, everything's good to go. You match the tops and the bottoms together. Stack all 5 of your Petri dishes and put them back into the Ziploc bag for the lab kit. Now is also a good time if you have any other materials that you want to return that need to be washed or cleaned or anything like that. It's a good time to do it. So used anything like a test tube or the pipette or a graduated cylinder or anything else, now is a good time. Same thing, soap and water, everything, make sure it's dried, put it back into the lab kit. And this is going to go a long way, because I get to reuse these materials for my other students once I disinfect them and sanitize them. So please, please, please do your best to clean these up so that the next crop will be able to use them. Last thing, please return anything that you didn't use in the lab kits unless you've asked me to borrow them or to keep them. You all are returning textbooks either at the end of this week or the beginning of next. So when you return your textbooks, I will have a bin out there as well that will hopefully just say return your lab kits, and then you can go ahead and drop those in there. Cool. So that's it from me. Let me know if you have any questions about cleanup. Should be pretty straightforward and simple, and I will hopefully see you soon, either in Zoom or in person. But nice job. We finished up our last lab of the semester.